Good morning, I'm Roger Wood with Guaranty here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today we're looking at a 2014 39-foot Winnebago Forza. It's a diesel pusher with the Cummins engine. Up front we've got the awning 6,000 watt micro quiet diesel generator. It's mounted about as far away from the bed as you can get it so you don't have to listen to it at night. Our front compartment is going to be our electrical bay. Love the way Winnebago does the resettable circuits. Instead of those little blade fuses that can pop and you have to go find one, just reset it. Our next compartment back is going to be our propane tank. It's a fixed tank mounted directly to the chassis of the coach. A little bit of storage up here for like your tools if you're going to have to hook up lines and stuff like that if you need to do that. Our next compartment back is going to be our large pass-through storage area. I love the way these doors swing, the fit and finish. Now, of course, it's a Winnebago quality. All paint, no decals. Winnebago, one of the oldest RV manufacturers in the world, really. You know, it's been in continuous operation. It's got the Santa flush system. It's got the whole house water filter. It's got the rotating coupler for your tank drains. Love it. Alcoa rims to help keep those wheels running straight and true without letting them deviate a little bit from the thin steel wheels. Here's our 50 amp short cord. And right next to it, this is called our diesel exhaust fluid. It helps keep the coach running clean and not really polluting nearly as much as they used to. Okay, here we have some more of those circuit breakers for our engine and our chassis batteries to start the engine. So this is going to have the Cummins ISB engine. This is going to be 340 horse. It's going to be about, I think this is 750 foot-pounds of torque on this engine with the Allison 6-speed transmission. The next we have 4 house batteries. I like how they built this. If you wanted to add some more, it is set up so that you could do that, although 4 is pretty gosh darn adequate. Another nice little storage area. Our water pump right here, nice and easy to get to it. Winnebago makes all of their own tanks. They're rotocast right in the factory, and that way they can make them any shape or size that they need to. And this is the other part of that storage that goes all the way through from the other side. We've got 2 of those. Great storage. So they make their own tanks, and that way they can make them in unique shapes and sizes and get the maximum amount of tank storage for the space provided. Let's go inside and take a quick look. It's a front door coach. Dash is in great condition. It's been covered. Looks like its whole life. Oops, I gotta put that back because it makes it look pretty. We've got our Winnebago Freightliner dash. It's going to have the Allison push button transmission, heated electric mirrors, automatic hydraulic leveling. You can level this coach from a couple different locations, both at the dash and at the door. This is going to be a forward kitchen coach. First thing we come into is our large residential style refrigerator with built-in ice maker. You can actually get quite a bit of food in there. I mean, obviously not enough for me, but we'll get to that later. Solid surface countertops. There's actually quite a bit of counter space. You can really get your cook on in here and have a really nice meal even though you're away from home. We've got our booth dinette. This is the Dream Dinette. It makes into a bed very quickly. You flip a lever, push this down, makes into a bed. Inner spring seats. They're not the board and foam seats. They're actually built like car seats. A lot of storage throughout. The sofa also makes into a comfortable bed. So you've got a bed, and of course in back you've got your main bed. Then we got another section I got to show you. Love where our TV is at. It's straight across from the sofa, so you're not turning your head to look forward or look aft. You can just watch TV and enjoy it. Fireplace, 16,000 BTUs of electric heat. It looks like a fire or doesn't look like a fire, depending on what you want to set it at. Gives you control. Love that. Now this is very unique. This coach is set up for bunk beds with a little booth dinette for the children. This does make into a bed also. So bed, bed. So bed, 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 and bed. I think it has enough beds. All in one bathroom. Oh, I'm sorry. Split bathroom, my apologies. This is the forward bathroom. Memory foam queen size bed in the main bedroom area. TV drops down out of the ceiling. So if you don't want to see it, you don't have to. But that gives us a great place for a TV and still gives us a lot of closet storage. If you remember how badly I just messed up that forward bathroom, because this has got the main bathroom back here. This is going to have a stacked washer and dryer, one piece on each side of the sink. Nice bathroom, great appliances. I'm Roger Woodruff with Guaranty here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. This is a 2014 Winnebago Forza, 39 foot. Sleeps about a half dozen, easily, comfortably. And if you have any more questions about this coach, give me a call. Thanks, have a great day.